Hey y'all, I'm still at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go through the shoe section and see what we have to offer. Mainly the sizing. They do have 10s. I wear a size 10 or 11. I would preferably wear an 11, but of course we know how scarce that can be to actually get an 11. But they got some BCBG generation shoes. These are really cute. The holidays are coming up. They only have them in a 6.5 though, and a 7.5, and an 8. It looks like they also got them, in a 6. But yeah, not much in a shoe size as, I don't know what's reasonable. I know I wear something way bigger than that. Here's a size 8 in these. Oh, here we go. Okay, here's an 8.5, but still not huge. I mean, I'm not gonna say huge, but these are really cute. But yeah, we need them to be a little bit bigger. So they are really short on shoes. Doesn't look like they have much to offer here. Jones, New York. Yeah, we're looking at 7s and 8s. We'll go to the size 10 just to see if they have anything. But here's what they have in size 6. These are kind of cute. Y'all do not like toe sandals. Raise your hand if you wear a size 6 or a 6.5. They always be so stocked. It makes me feel like nobody wears this size. Why do we have so many? These are cute though. They're $69.99. These are really cute though. I can't fit them. They sell a lot of Italian leather shoemakers. They sell a lot of that here at TJ Maxx, period. At any given TJ Maxx. Yeah. Here go a pair of Michael Kors in a size 7. They're just thong. They're really cute though. Another pair of 7, like the Birkenstock style. These are pretty dope too. I like these. See, these are Italian leather too. They're cute. I don't know about Italian leather. Like, are they actually Italian leather? Not sure, but oh, I really like these. They're 7.5. Oh, they're Madden, of course. Madden girl. They're just a pair of slingbacks for $30. They're really dainty. And a pair of Michael Kors tennis shoes for $60. Those are cute too. Now, when it comes to like Michael Kors or whatever, I would rather go to the actual Michael Kors store. You want to switch places so you can get over here? In my personal space. Anyway, yeah, so let's see. They got a lot of these. It looks like they got at least one in every size so far. Now, I don't know what we're going to be working with when we get to the 9s and the 10s, but we're going to see. Yeah, that lady was so close to me that I could smell her breath. Child, these are cute. Wolf Shepherd. Those are too cute. They thick, though. They heavy. These are cute, too. Sarto. I don't know about the gold detail though. It seems a little flimsy. I didn't even know Nautica was still a thing. Wow, they got Nautica shoes. That's so funny. Oh, these are so adorable. Oh yeah, I bet you these are so comfortable. This is a size 6 or a 9. I don't know what size them is, but they little. Them is cute though. They got them in 8.5 too. These are really cute. They heavy though. Why these? Well, they're kind of heavy. These are cute though. Yep, they got the slingbacks in 8.5. I don't see those Michael Kors shoes that I was talking to you about a while ago. Got hair hanging off. These Italian leather shoes are really cute. Oh, but these are even better. Sorry, let me get this hair out. Oh yeah, those are so cute. They 8.5 though. Not for me. All right, we getting closer, y'all. We in size 9. Mark Fisher. Oh, I like these. I like how thick that heel is. I really do. I think that's dope. Oh, look. Jessica Simpson got a shoe over here. These are, like I said, I love these too. These are a little bit higher. Well, no, they're the same ones that are over there in the front. So they do have them off in the actual, uh-oh, look. Hey, we got them in a 9. We getting closer. We getting closer and closer. These Jessica Simpson shoes are $24 and they are adorable. I love these. These are so cute. Both of them are $24. So they're on sale. I wonder why. Wolf and Shepherd. These are heavy, but I like them. They're suede. They feel so good. Here goes another pair of shoes for $59. They're like a little cowboy boot. I can see me wearing them with like A-shaped dress. Like a country type of style. Yeah, these are the clearance shoes. But it's not much here. As a matter of fact, it's the same repeat, same sizes. But here go a pair of Crocs. Oh, yeah. They just basic. Just basic Crocs, sorry. Alright, let me go on back this way. These are too cute. These are like fake Gucci kind of. $28. Joy-E. I don't know how to say that. They're 6.5 though, so not for me. Hi. Alright, so we're over at 9.5. These shoes are kind of cute for some thick jeans. Bell-bottom type jeans will be cute with those. These too. Yeah, I'm in Florida. Keep it in mind. In Florida, we get to wear this stuff all year round, to be honest with you. I mean, we're going to get a couple of months where it's going to get real cold outside and we're going to lose our mind like, I'm going to Jamaica if it don't warm up. But these are cute. 9 West. And they're $30. Okay, I see a pair of Timberlands. Look, they got the Michael Kors in a 10. Yeah, let me see if I can fit them. I'm struggling, y'all. My foot is hanging out the back. It's a no. Look. Okay, they got them in 11 though. So no worries. These 9 West are in a 10. Okay, so we got a good variety of everything because they got them in an 11. So, for $35. Too bad I don't wear Michael Kors. Them's cute though. Fit top. These are cute too. Oh, I love how they're red on the inside. These are size 9 though. No, these are 11s. These are cute. Now, what would I wear these with? I do not know. But one thing's for sure. Look at them Timberlands, y'all. I love me a pair of Timberlands. These is $100. Dang. I like these. They kind of remind me of the new Louboutins that just came out. The red bottoms that are like this, but they are red at the bottom. They're just like this, actually. They're really cute. They $16.95. $1,695, baby. Now, why are these? I like these, though. I just don't want to pay $35 for them. They cute, though. And the rest is just sandals, y'all. Crocs looking type of sandals. Not really something that I'm interested in, but we still got clearance over here. And these was what I was hoping I would see in 11. These are really cute. And how much are they? At $24. These are really cute though. Yeah, I don't know, people. Look, these are cute. These are really cute. What size are these? No, I can't fit these. They look small. They're cute though. I wish I could tell how much, what size. Oh, in here. They are a 10. No. Yeah, they are a 10 medium. I might be able to fit them, but because they pointed, they're not really pointed though. I might. For $24. Child. They just said we're gonna make everything $24. How you gonna put something on clearance for $24? But it's super cute. Everything is nice. The shoes was a lot faster than the purses because for some reason they really come through on the purses. But as far as the shoes, this is it, y'all. We done. Well, that was the end of the road. So until next time, I will see you later.